Now we've got a line that contains these 2 points. The line passed through these 2 points. And we want to find the slope of a line that's perpendicular to our line. So we know this, that perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. Okay, so what does that mean? Negative reciprocal slopes. Let's interpret that. All right, so suppose that one line, say line 1, has slope m1, and line 2 has slope m2. All right, then if line 1 is perpendicular to line 2, that means that maybe m2 is equal to negative the reciprocal. Reciprocal means flip it over, m1, or if you like, that m1 is equal to negative 1 over m2. So once you find the slope of 1, just invert it and change the sign, and you'll have the slope of the perpendicular. So what have we got for us? We've got 2 points here. There's my first point, the first x. There's the first y. There's the second x, the second y. So let's use our slope formula. I'll write it over here. M is equal to, that's a terrible line, M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the second y, what's the second y here? The second y is negative 3 minus the first y, just lots of negatives here. So negative 3 minus negative 5 over, now the second, right, in the x's. The second x is 1, the first x is negative 2. So it's 1 minus negative 2. So we'll get negative 3 plus 5. That looks like a 4, doesn't it? Negative 3, I can do this. Negative 3 plus 5 over 1 plus 3. So what are we getting here? That slope is equal to 2 over 4. So the slope is 1/2. Now the slope is 1/2. Now I want the slope of the perpendicular. So the slope of the perpendicular is, now what do you do here? Invert it and change the sign. So this is going to be negative, if I invert it, it'll be 2 over 1. But what's 2 over 1? That's just 2. So the slope of the perpendicular, that's what we're looking for, is negative 2.